This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by getting the font file and installing it system-wide so Photoshop can see it. Double-click a TTF or OTF and choose Install or Open Font Book on Mac and add the file. Once done, make sure Photoshop is closed while you install to avoid cache issues. This prevents missing fonts. If you prefer, use a font manager to activate fonts temporarily. Now reopen Photoshop and move to the Type tool so you can access the newly installed family. With Photoshop open, select the Type tool and click the text you want to change or create a new text layer. In the Options bar or Character panel, start typing the font family name to filter available fonts. This is faster than scrolling. Once you pick the family, choose the specific weight or style, regular, bold, italic, so the design reads correctly. If the family includes variable fonts, you can adjust weight slider for fine control. Make sure kerning and tracking are appropriate for the chosen face. Finalize your layout by confirming sizes, line spacing, and alignment, then convert text to a smart object if you'll apply filters. If a font doesn't show, force Photoshop to refresh. Close the app, clear its font cache, restart, and relaunch. Make sure the font is installed for the current user and has proper permissions. Reinstall it if needed. If problems persist, test the font in another app to isolate system versus Photoshop issues. This tells you where to fix it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.